Hey guys, welcome back to Full Tilt Grading. The video you guys are about to see is going to be from Saturday and Sunday. We had to work through the weekend to get up and out of the creek with our Gabion wall and our bin block wall. Sorry if the video is a little bit slow there at the end. It's kind of a little bit repeated, but it's the same exact task at hand the whole day. So I didn't really have much of a choice, but I wanted to show you guys how we went about building those Gabions, what it took, and the labor involved. Today's safety tip is going to be make sure you always use the proper lifting device and make sure it's tagged and rated to lift what you're going to lift. The safety device, the safety chain we're using here is stamped and tagged, and it's approved for lifting those bin blocks. This chain's actually pretty neat. It's 30% lighter than regular steel with the same structure, strength to it. And it's also got cool colors, which is pretty awesome. So this chain's called a cheater chain. And you can basically lift stuff that is a little bit off on weight and adjust it by sliding the chain link inside this hook. And it shortens it right up. So if you don't have one of these, definitely look into them. This specific chain's made in Sweden. I don't remember the brand of it, but I can find out for you guys if you want to know. So let's get to the video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching as always, guys. So this block here is rejected by the inspector. So we got to take it out, swing it out of the way. So far, block number 1 is 100% level, and if I measure down and I level across to the next footing, it's 36 inches.
Get that broom.
So that'll give us a 1 foot step up. Like I said, top of block is perfectly level, which is what we want. I measure down to this footing, perfectly 36. So we also dropped in a little nail there and a nail there for the string line, so we know we're holding a straight line. Morning, Bill. So guys, we got all of our bin blocks set, and I do want to say that not overlapping the joints and doing a straight line like that is something me and Ed do not agree on, but the prints show it and the engineers didn't want to change that, so that's just kind of what it is. We don't have a choice, but we have a 1 foot step like I said here that we're gonna. We planned on that. The bin blocks aren't 100% true, so there's some imperfections in them. but not perfect.
Okay. The small one. That was
Now we're gonna go get some modified to put it behind them, chock it in, use a jumper jack and pack it in, make sure it's nice and tight behind the wall. So now it's on to the Gabions, guys. We're putting fabric under them and lapping the fabric up the wall. We're putting rebar dowels in to the mud mat just to help lock those things in. We cut a 12-footer to bridge across that gas main, and then the next 12-footer will go all the way into that corner and run perfectly flush to the one that's already in. And then behind it is going to be 6 inches of clean stone all the way up. So now let's fill these things up and see how it goes.
You have Hulu?
Hulu?
Yeah. I watched Action Bronson.
So as these rocks go in, we have to separate anything over 8 inches and anything under 4. So we kind of got to sift through them quick by hand. And all these baskets are tied together with wire. And then we tie the top one on top of the bottom one. And it's pretty much the way it goes. It's our first time doing one of these, so it's a little bit of a learning curve for us as well. So we got 2 rows of Gabions in so far today. Not gonna lie, it's a lot of work. It's definitely not fun, but we got a good amount done. We're gonna set another bin block over here just to help support that tower overnight. On this outer wall here, we're calling for this geotextile fabric, kind of like they use in a regular retaining wall, but more heavy duty. We left a little sump hole there to pump water out. So now we're gonna set that bin block, put stone in behind these gabions and between the wall under this fabric here. So guys, it's Sunday. Today we are going to be installing more Gabion baskets and more of these bin blocks. Hopefully Ed can track out a little bit farther because he's having a hard time reaching these last baskets. So we're going to try to fill some more of this in so we can reach out. Right there, Johnny. Solid Ed?
I thought it was Joe's.
That's what it used to be, Johnny. So it used to be Joe's now.
Guys, digging board down here?
Yeah, it's right on top of the wall, Bill.
6 years, 7 years.
Well, I got a lot more.
Guess I'm not coming back tomorrow.
Yep. Well, we got a lot of our Gabions all the way done. Still have to come up one more step with the 12s and then a little 4-footer there for a 1-foot step up. And we have a few more 6-footers to put in as well. We have our geotextile fabric down for tomorrow. It's coming along pretty nicely. Not too happy with the bin blocks themselves. They definitely weren't 100% true. Everyone fit a little bit different with the keyways, but it is what it is. The inspector passed them all, so we have to use them. Well, me and Ed are gonna go sit by the pool and relax a little bit. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.